Ibotta's barcode scanner can stop working when the app cannot access your camera, the app needs an update, or the phone has a temporary software issue. By the end, you'll know the main fixes for the Ibotta barcode scanner and what to check before contacting support. The first thing to check is camera permission. Ibotta needs camera access to scan product barcodes, so open your phone settings and make sure camera permission is enabled for Ibotta. On iPhone, go to Settings, find Ibotta, and confirm the camera option is turned on. On Android, open App Permissions and allow camera access. If the scanner still does not work, close Ibotta completely and reopen it. Restarting the app can fix temporary problems with the camera feature. The next step is updating the Ibotta app. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available update. Older app versions can sometimes have problems with newer phone software. You should also check your phone camera outside of Ibotta. Open the regular camera app and scan a barcode if possible. If the normal camera does not work, the issue may be with your phone camera rather than Ibotta. Lighting can also affect barcode scanning. Move the product into a brighter area and hold the barcode steady inside the scanner area. If the barcode still will not scan, try searching for the product manually, if Ibotta provides that option. Some offers may allow you to find products without using the scanner. Avoid scanning damaged or unclear barcodes. The camera needs a clear view of the barcode lines to recognize the product. If you are scanning a product for an offer, confirm that the offer is still available in your Ibotta account. A barcode may not work if the product is not connected to an active offer. When none of these fixes work, log out of Ibotta and sign back in. This refreshes your account connection and can fix app-related problems. You can also reinstall the Ibotta app if the scanner continues failing. Reinstalling removes damaged app files and installs a fresh version. The main fixes are enabling camera permissions, updating Ibotta, and checking that your phone camera works correctly. Your next step is to check camera access first, because that is the most common reason the barcode scanner cannot start. If this guide fixed your Ibotta scanner problem, subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides.